Hey guys, it's me, ArcLife, back with another video, and today we're going to talk about 5 tips on how to write the Why Us essay. The Why Us essay is a college supplemental essay asked by most colleges. So let's not waste any time and get to the video. Before the video starts, I just want to remind you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and give it a like if you like this video. In the upcoming few months, I'm going to make many more videos on the college process and my application process and my future, moving to the US and all that. So if you want it, hit the subscribe button and let's get to the video. Tip number 1. Find very niche things to talk about in your essay. So when you're researching about your essay, you will probably go to the school's websites or people's experiences in that school. And then when you find something that actually interests you, write about that. Because if it interests you, it may not interest other people. So the first things you get when you're researching about a college, most people write about those. But as you research more and more, you'll find very niche things that you like and you can actually write about. For example, maybe you're a biology major and you found this professor is doing this research on a specific type of cancer which you're very passionate about. You can write on that. Or maybe you found this club you like. Okay. Tip number 2. Give the reason for why you want to do those things in college. So for example, going back to the example of the biology club or the research. So if you say that you want to do this research, the specific research with a specific professor, give reasons. Like maybe when you're in high school, one of your grandparents had a cancer and maybe got cured, or maybe he still has the cancer. So that was the reason why you are interested in that cancer, and that's the reason you want to research, so other people don't have to go through what your grandparents went through. Or maybe going back to another example, like the club. Maybe in high school, you had a lot of fun in the club and you're like the president. So you want to continue doing that in college. So always give reasons, because people can say they're passionate about anything. I can say I'm passionate about the NBA, but it doesn't mean anything unless you give proofs or something you did before. Tip number 3. Try to be honest in your essay. So if you're going to apply to a college, you probably have a reason why. Maybe it's good for the major you're applying for. Maybe there's a specific professor that is in that college. Maybe you like their football team. Just be honest, whatever the reason is. Because the main reason you want to go there is something you're passionate about. So you can actually write about that in your own unique way. And that's like the best way to write an essay. Tip number 4. Use personal voice and show that you're excited to go to that college. Colleges want students who are actually excited to go to their college for specific reasons, not only for studies. So show them that. Show them through your writing that you're actually excited. If you're accepted, that you would actually be excited to go to the college. Like, that's how you should write your essays. You should write your essays in such a way that the admissions officer feels that you would be excited if you're accepted. Tip number 5. The last tip, but maybe the most important tip. Show them how you will fit in the college. So if you're accepted, show them what clubs you will join. Maybe how do you think your lifestyle will be? What type of events you might go to? Would you go on the school abroad program? Or stuff like that. Just show them how you would fit in and what type of things you're passionate about there. That's it for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe again, and we'll meet you next time.